Today, we embark on a journey, exploring a simple yet potent tea to cleanse our bodies and enhance our well-being. Coupled with habits like smoking, alcohol intake, and certain medications, can lead to bodily intoxication. This overload can impair our organs' efficiency, potentially causing health issues in the short, medium, or long term. Signs of intoxication can manifest differently in each person, from excessive fatigue to headaches, irritability, and even changes in hair and nails. But fret not. There's a solution, and it's simpler than you imagine. Today, we're crafting a detox tea using ginger, cinnamon, and bay leaf. This infusion aids the liver in expelling surplus toxins, enhances digestion and circulation, and even combats gas. Wondering what makes this tea a powerhouse? Ginger, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, stimulates digestion and aids in producing gastric juices, facilitating food digestion and nutrient absorption. Consequently, your body can process food more efficiently, reducing toxin buildup. Moreover, ginger's thermogenic effect boosts metabolism, promoting fat burning. Cinnamon, loaded with antioxidants, shields your body from harm caused by free radicals, boasting anti-inflammatory properties that aid in fighting infections and repairing tissue damage. Additionally, it stabilizes blood sugar levels, mitigating the risk of insulin resistance and toxin accumulation. Bay leaves contribute their detoxifying effects, stimulating urination, vital for eliminating toxins, and possess diuretic properties, aiding in the removal of excess water and salt. Combining these three ingredients yields a robust detox tea that enhances your body's toxin elimination process. To craft this brew, you'll need a cup of water, a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, a cinnamon stick, and a bay leaf. Simply place the water in a pot, add the grated ginger and cinnamon stick, bring to a boil for 5 minutes, then introduce the bay leaf. Turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and consume unsweetened immediately after meals. Delicious, right? But remember, significant results require combining this tea with new lifestyle habits. For optimal health, incorporate physical activity and wholesome dietary choices into your routine. In summary, here's a potent yet straightforward tea to detoxify your body and elevate your health. Remember, everyone's body is unique. If you're undergoing stomach treatments, have high blood pressure, are pregnant, nursing, or under 12 years old, refrain from consuming this tea. Should you experience any discomfort or adverse reactions, cease consumption and consult a doctor immediately. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.